Hi, my name is Michelle Martinez, and I'm the middle school science teacher here at El Toloma Christian School. I've been here for many years. I've been teaching middle school specifically for 13 years. Middle school kids are the most misjudged kids. They are actually a ball of fun, and I just love being with them every single day in the classroom. I don't just teach science, I also teach cooking, life skills, keyboarding, and 6th grade Bible. Cooking is for all grade levels, 6th, 7th, and 8th, and life skills and keyboarding are just for 6th grade. One thing I love about being here at El Toloma Christian School is it's definitely a family here. It's not just a family with your students. My co-workers are my brothers and sisters, and our middle school team, we definitely act like brothers and sisters with each other. When the kids see a united staff, they become united in one as well. We also love to have fun. So you will see that there's days where they're like, we did this, we did that. And it might sound like not too much education going on. Lots of fun, but really there's always a point to our fun. I am married and I have 3 kids, 2 of which are in our middle school program as well. I also have a daughter who's currently in 1st grade, but she'll be in 2nd grade next year. I like to say that I do teach a Bible class, but the cool thing about being at a Christian school is being able to teach Bible in all of my classes. When we talk about cooking, we talk about taking care of our body and how that is taking care of God's creation and following the creation mandate. When we get into science, we talk about the creation mandate, dominion mandate, God's beautiful creation. We also learn about the evolutionary theory, but we also talk about biblical creationism as well. I teach the kids to open their minds and be willing to question their beliefs and really find out what God really has in store for them and their lives. One of my favorite projects is the car seat project that my 8th grade science students do. They are learning about kinematics and dynamics, and so in that lesson we talk a lot about velocity, momentum, acceleration, and all of these other things that have to do with movement, Newton's laws as well. The great thing is that by building a car seat and a car for their egg to be safe in, they learn about what is needed to help absorb the force, the momentum, and how all of those things work together to affect their egg in the car seat. I also love our cooking class, especially our 8th grade cooking class, when the kids actually cook. Up until that point, I'm teaching them about cooking or I'm cooking for them, but when they hit 8th grade, they cook for me. The staff loves to see what they come up with because we all get to feast on it and enjoy the fruits of their labor. One of my absolute favorite things to do here in middle school is go to camp. Every year, we go up to the mountains, we stay at a beautiful camp, and we learn about nature. And not just nature, but we also learn about God. The kids are able to conquer fears by climbing rock walls and doing tasks and adventures that they probably never thought they would ever do. It also brings together the students. It's great to see 6th, 7th, and 8th graders mix together and realize that just because I'm an 8th grader doesn't mean that I can't be friends with a 6th grader. The students get to work together, not just as grade levels, but as a community, a middle school community, an ALCS community. They become family, and we get to be big sisters, aunts, uncles, moms, dads to those kids during that week. We get to become part of their family. This year has been quite a different year for everybody. The one thing I loved about having a different year here at ALCS was the grace and mercy that we all gave each other as we learned new ways and new ideas and just a whole bunch of new stuff and how to roll with the punches without losing the academics, without losing the engagement. The fact that we were in person and doing hybrid was also very cool. It gave our families flexibility to be where they were at comfortably, and our kids to still be 100% engaged. Thank you so much for taking your time to watch my video. As you can see, you're at my website, so feel free to browse around. There's an open house tab with some of the students' current work from this school year, as well as the parent info page, which is an info page that I've developed at the beginning of the school year with all of the info on the curriculum and different things that we do in each class every year. Thank you again.